Hello, brothers and sisters. It's June 25th, 2019. And I wanted to mention in the last video that I just posted a little while ago, but the last video was like super long. But what I wanted to share was that while I was writing everything down for this video, I heard like loud thunder type noises, but it wasn't thunder and the sky was clear. And it's like this sound had a vibration to it, and it was like it was coming from every direction. And our patio doors were rattling and our windows were rattling. And then I saw like a big bright flash of light in the sky, but I didn't see what it was because I was like sitting in the back porch in a chair and it wasn't like in my eye view. I just was able to see like this big flash of light. And this noise and shaking happened for several minutes off and on. And it was about 4:15 a.m. when I went inside to use the restroom, and the bedroom alarm clock was flashing. So I knew that the power had gone out. But I checked the rest of the house and only the alarm clock in that room had gone out. All the other like appliances, etc., were all fine. And the interesting thing about this is that it was about 4:15 in the morning, but the alarm clock was flashing at the time of 5:14. So that's 4:15 reversed, and 5:14 is May 14th. And May 14th is when Israel became a nation, on May 14th, 1948. Jesus is coming quickly, brothers and sisters. Hold fast. Rest and trust in Jesus. Look up. He's coming. I love you all.